In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Coursera Plus trial. Before we begin, it's crucial to note that if you complete a course during your 7-day free trial, you won't receive a certificate unless you subscribe to Coursera Plus for at least 1 month. So keep this in mind as you consider canceling your trial. Let's dive right into the process. To start, head over to the Coursera homepage and log into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select My Purchases. Now on the My Purchases page, you'll find the details about your Coursera Plus trial, including the date your trial ends. However, in my case, you may not see these details because this is a tutorial account. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the necessary steps using screenshots to ensure clarity and understanding. Here's an important note. If your trial period has already ended, unfortunately, you can no longer cancel it, and you'll be charged for at least 1 month of Coursera Plus. So it's essential to act within that trial window. If your trial is still active, you should see an option labeled Cancel Subscription. Click on that, and Coursera will remind you about what canceling your trial entails. You'll lose access to your graded assignments and certificates, but rest assured your course progress will be saved, allowing you to re-enroll later if you choose to continue. When you're sure about your decision to cancel, go ahead and click on Yes, Cancel Subscription. At this point, you might receive an incentive from Coursera, typically a 50% discount on your next bill as a way to encourage you to stay. If you're determined to proceed with canceling, simply click on Skip Offer. To wrap things up, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been canceled. Coursera may ask if you'd like to participate in a quick survey about your experience. You have the choice to either complete it or skip it. And there you have it. Your Coursera trial is successfully canceled. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.